Okay, so you start your vehicle and turn left. Make sure you check safe everywhere, blind spot, all is good, and then turn left. So today is not too much rush, but make sure you check safe everywhere, no pedestrian, safe, then go. Here is a couple of speed hump. Make sure go slow in the drive test center. So watch all the signboards, scan your mirrors. It is stop sign. So first stop sign, complete stop, check safe, left right blind spot, 3-second stop on every stop sign. Okay, so turn right on the stop sign. So again, complete stop, check safe, blind spot, and then go. So here, so speed limit is 50. Make sure don't go over 50. Maintain the speeds. So you scan your mirrors, be safe. Okay, change the lane left when it is safe. Scan mirrors, blind spot, and change. Okay, turn left on traffic lights, so turn left on Courtney Park. Okay, yes, scan your mirrors when you stop and when your chance, so then turn left. So there is no advance, so you have to wait. Okay, let them go for the incoming traffic. Check blind spot, pedestrian safe, then turn. Okay, when safe, switch the lane back to right. Okay, turn right on traffic lights. So check safe, blind spot, and don't take risk on red light. When it's 100% safe, then go, otherwise don't. So on the, now you turn right on Harantorio Road. So Harantorio, there's a construction. So when safe, then turn. Okay, make sure, be safe. So now safe, then turn right here. So always stay in right lane. If something wrong, then you change the lane, or if an examiner tell you, then you switch the lane. Okay, so these are two routes. Okay, sometime they send you on 401 West, and sometime they send you on 401 east. It's depend to the examiner okay. So so actually there is a two route. So now first time, so I will show you on the 401 west. So now we take 401 west. So here is some construction, just make sure. Go on the ramp, turn right, check safe. So speed limit of on highway is 100, so make sure you merge on the highway speed. Okay, don't go slow, just maintain the speed 100, then you merge. There's a two merging. Okay, so change the lane left and back to right when it is safe. So make sure safe, blind spot, and switch the lane. So it's a little short route here, and then you exit on Mavis. So if you already in the exit lane, no need to on the signal. Okay, so on traffic lights, turn left. And after traffic lights, you again go in the highway 401 east. So make sure you stay in the center lane because you turn from the left from second lane. Okay, so when after you come back to the right lane, or now you take 401 east and go back to the drive test center from here. Again, you maintain the speed. Make sure don't go slow. Maintain the speed 100, and you merge. Make sure you merge before that road end. If there is traffic, then you little bit slow. That's fine, but otherwise try to maintain the speed. Okay, change the lane left and back to right when it is safe. Always maintain the speed, check safe, so now exit from Ontario Street. Make sure you stay on the Ontario. Okay, here is the another exit, don't go there. Okay, so then turn left on traffic lights. So make sure again you stay in the center lane. That's good for you. Because if you're in the first lane, so then there's a little bit little bit hard for you because you change the two lanes. So scan mirror, be safe. So today's little bit snowy day, snow weather, so that's a little bit dark outside. Okay, so waiting the traffic lights. When it's green, then you make left turn. Okay, it's green. Go. Because now you turn again from the center lane, then you go the second lane. Okay. So you're already in the right lane, so no need to do anything. Just stay in this lane. When examiner give you other instructions, just then follow the instructions. Okay, just be safe. Okay, maintain the good gap. Okay, so change the lane left when it is safe. So there is construction, so lines are not visible, just try to assume. And so now here is again two things. Sometimes they tell you turn left on the Courtney Park, and sometime on this road. Okay, so here now you turn left. So next is Courtney Park, so it's depend, okay, which traffic lights examiner will tell you to the left turn. It's a Pro Logis Boulevard. So this is the advanced left, so you have to wait. Okay, sometimes they tell you on the Courtney Park. So here speed limit is 60. Okay, so now it's depend, sometimes some examiner will tell you to turn left here, and some will send you on the next road. So here is little bit construction. So some is here is on this street, or some on next. Okay, so turn left on next traffic lights. Okay, make sure, check safe, blind spot. So turn left on here is a Courtney Park Drive. Okay, so here is the advance left. So be safe here, okay? Because now is advanced. So yes, good to go. Be safe. Okay, so after left, when safe, switch back to right. So speed limit here is 70. Okay, turn right on next traffic lights. So is up. Mattis Drive. So check safe, blind spot, pedestrian, with pedestrian. Okay, so again here the speed limit is 50. Okay, be safe, don't go over speed. So when you cross the intersection, just check left, right. Okay, so change the lane left when it is safe. always stop, complete stop, first come first go, safe. Okay, then go. So in here you coming back and drive test center. So again, be safe, just scan the signboards. Okay, there's a couple of the speed hump. Be safe, be slow. Okay, so then examiner will tell you, okay, park right side. So you park and you, okay, now park right side here. Be safe. Okay, and you, here you done. So then examiner will, explain you if you pass, if you disqualify, explain the reason. Yeah, that's it. Okay, just drive safe. Yes, good luck. Thank you.